Are you tired of stretching your paycheck to make ends meet? Ever wondered how some people seem to save effortlessly? What if I told you that there are simple tricks to keep more cash in your pocket? Welcome back to your channel Name, where we turn sense into savings and financial wisdom into wealth. Today, we're uncovering 12 money-saving hacks every millennial should know. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button to join our community and get your finances on track. Number 12. Pay yourself first. Back your paycheck? Great. Now, before you pay bills or buy that extra cup of coffee, move some cash to your savings. It's like saying, hey, I got you for your future self. How much should you save? Financial advisors often suggest starting with 20% of your income, but even 5% is better than nothing. And here's the key: make it automatic. Most banks offer automated transfers to your savings account, so you won't have to think twice about it. And if you're tackling debt, apply the same rule: pay down that debt before anything else. Number 11. A hanger hack. Now let's tackle that closet. The average person only wears about 20% of their clothes regularly. Crazy, right? So grab those hangers and let's get to work. Here's what you do. Turn all your hangers in one direction. Each time you wear something, hang it back out the opposite way. Give it 6 months and you'll see what you actually wear. Those clothes still facing the original way, it might be time to say goodbye. Sell them, donate them, just get them out of your space. This hack isn't just about organizing, it's about realizing what you value. Number 10. Round up to save up. Let's talk about rounding up. You know when you buy something for $3.50 and you tell yourself it's only $3? Well, what if you took that extra 50 cents and popped it into savings? It's a no-brainer with apps like Acorns or your bank's own roundup program. Every purchase you make, round it up to the nearest dollar, and the difference goes straight into savings or investments. It's effortless. If you think it's too small to matter, think again. If you round up just 5 purchases a day, that's easily over $900 a year. Number 9. Daily dimes add up. Think saving $1 a day isn't worth the effort? You'll be surprised. If you save just $1 each day, by the end of the year, you've got $365 extra. That's enough for a mini getaway or to beef up your emergency fund. Or try the 52-week money challenge. Save $1 in the first week, $2 the second week, and keep adding $1 each week. By the end of the year, that's $1,378. It's simple. Small amounts saved regularly can lead to a substantial sum. It's a gentle way to build a savings habit without feeling the pinch. Plus, you can adjust the amount to fit your budget. Number 8. Cash is king. Now let's talk about using cash. When you see your money physically leaving your wallet, you're more likely to feel the impact of your purchases. That's why cash can be a great budgeting partner. The envelope system is straightforward. You have an envelope for groceries, one for gas, another for dining out, and so on. Once the cash in the envelope is gone, that's it until the next paycheck. It's a surefire way to avoid overspending. And here's a pro tip. If you end up with extra cash in an envelope, don't spend it, save it. This method isn't just about limiting expenses, it's about empowering you to make conscious decisions with your money. Number 7. Allowance isn't just for kids. Setting an allowance for yourself can be a game changer. It's like having your own personal spending watchdog. Decide on a set amount of fun money each month. This is cash you can spend without a shred of guilt because it's part of your budget. Whether it's for a night out, a new game, or that fancy coffee you love, this is your free pass to splurge, within limits, of course. It teaches discipline and prioritization. You'll find yourself weighing each potential purchase, deciding if it's really worth your hard-earned cash. And the best part? You get to enjoy your hobbies and interests without derailing your financial goals. It's all about balance. Number 6. Motivation is money. Staying motivated with savings can be tough, but it's the secret sauce to reaching your financial goals. Track your progress with an app or a spreadsheet. Watching your savings grow is a serious motivator. And don't forget to celebrate the milestones. Save your first $100, do a little dance, finally paid off that credit card, treat yourself to a movie night. Get friends or family on board too. They can be your cheer squad. And on days when you feel like giving into a spending spree, remind yourself why you started. Maybe it's a dream vacation, a new car, or just the peace of mind that comes with a full savings account. Number 5. Shop smart with a special email. If your inbox is a minefield of sales and promos, it's time for a new strategy. Set up a separate email account just for shopping. This way you control when and how you're exposed to those tempting deals. Use it to sign up for newsletters from your favorite stores. And when you're ready to shop, you'll have all the discounts in one place. This simple step helps you avoid impulse buys since you're not constantly bombarded with sales alerts. Plus, when you do shop, you'll score the best deals because you've got all your coupons and promo codes neatly stored away. Number 4. Master the art of meal prep. Meal prepping is the unsung hero of budgeting. Take a couple of hours on your day off to prepare your meals for the week and you'll save money, time, and stress. No more pricey takeout on busy nights or lunch money every day. Plus, you're in control of what you eat, healthier and cheaper. Get some good containers, a set of basic recipes, and you're all set. And here's a secret. Meal prepping doesn't have to be boring. Spice it up with variety, try new recipes, and maybe even share the prep with a friend. Not only does your wallet get a break, but your future self will be grateful at lunchtime when you've got a delicious homemade meal ready to go. Number 3, the no-spend challenge. Let's dive into the no-spend challenge. It's exactly what it sounds like. You pick a period, say a weekend or even a whole month, and spend nothing except on necessities. It's a powerful way to press pause on your spending habits. This isn't just about saving money, it's about understanding your wants versus needs. You'll discover just how often you reach for your wallet and start to appreciate the value of what you already have. It can be eye-opening to see how much you can save when you're not constantly buying things. Number 2, the 24-hour rule. Here comes a super straightforward tactic, the 24-hour rule. When you're eyeing that flashy gadget or a sleek pair of shoes, just step back for a day. Give yourself 24 hours to think it over. More often than not, that must-have feeling fades away. This little pause can save you from splurging on things you might regret later. It's all about breaking this cycle of instant gratification. And you know what? If after 24 hours you still feel it's essential, then it might just be worth the spend. But you'll be making that decision with a clear head, not on a whim. Number 1, max out that 400 onik match. And now let's talk about that 400 onik match. If your job offers this, it's like they're giving you free money for your golden years. Here's the deal. If you put in a certain percentage of your paycheck into your 400 onik, your employer will usually match that up to a certain percent. It's part of your benefits package, so why not take full advantage? By not doing this, you're essentially leaving money on the table, money that could significantly grow over time thanks to compound interest. The more you contribute, the more your employer contributes, and the bigger your retirement fund becomes. There you have it. 12 hacks to pad your pockets without pinching pennies too hard. Remember, it's about smart changes, not just strict budgets. Which hack are you going to try first? Drop a comment below, and if you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial wisdom drops.